say you weren't that hungry, so you only got 4?
Yeah, there was no croissants left.
Oh, is it not? They have croissants or no? Pan au chocolat? Alright, no worries.
There are no croissants left.
They're nice. They got chocolate volcano.
Yeah. Now let's break the chocolate volcano.
Go on then, can you get on? Can you get on the train?
You got onto the train. Wait, this is the wrong train. What? This is the wrong train. Get back, quick! Daddy, get me up before my train comes. Okay, wait on here, doesn't stop. Is this my real train? No. This one's stop. No, darling. I just want to get this stairs. Well, it's gonna run you.
Music maestro.
Sendeki cesaret bende olsa, ummaz mısın aşk bir uçsa, ölmez misin kalp bir dursa, bilerek beni kaybettin, dönmüyorum sana her ne olsa, baştan sona her yarışta galip olur bir de asla kazanamayan birileri. Tabii kim seviyor belli, sana akıl daha yeni mi geldi, sözlerine koyup attığın o taşlar kafama değil bak nereme geldi. Tabii kim ölüyor belli, sana akıl daha yeni mi geldi, sözlerine koyup attığın o taşlar yanıma değil başka yere geldi. Sana diyorum ben senin bu aşkın uzayıp gidiyor, ayrılırken lütfen sen de bir şey deme, kurtulmuş olalım böylelikle. Sana yazık da bana değil mi, kaşıp giden hiç geri gelir mi, duydun işte sen her şeyi, kalbi sana atmıyor, suç benim mi? Tabii kim seviyor belli, sana akıl daha yeni mi geldi, sözlerine koyup attığın o taşlar kafama değil bak nereme geldi. Tabii kim ölüyor belli, sana akıl daha yeni mi geldi, sözlerine koyup attığın o taşlar yanıma değil başka yere geldi. Tabii.
Bravo, teşekkürler. Dankeschön. Thank you so much.
Push him in, push him in. Push him in.
Yeah.
You weren't ready?
I got pushed in. It's final time in Turkey on this ride. You ready, Ollie? Just to tell you guys, it's freezing. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Is it cold? Daddy! Oh, it's so cold. I'm stuck. Yellow, watch out! Thanks the one! I think Caleb just went down. Can I go? Blue one! For the final time. Okay. This went so fast. This happens to you all the time, doesn't it? Well, like, 3 seconds ago you put up the tent. And then you're like in your real house. And you wake up. It feels like you've done more. Can I go? So, let's go down. Go down. Is it on? Let me see. Okay, it's on. I'm stuck on the slide. Please help. Please, please, please. Somebody help. I am stuck on the slide. Please help. Alright. Going down the yellow. Yeah, let's go.
Yellow's the fastest one. So let's go.
Teleport up the stairs.
Nah.
They need to see, okay?
Right, we're going on to the yellow.
Yellow goes faster.
Ooh, choices. Yellow.
Yellow is fast.
Ooh.
Look it.
You ready?
Ollie, go!
Stop. Rainbow. Go, Ollie, go.
Rainbow!
Right.
Woo!
Let's go. Woo! Jesus. Oh God. Slide should I go on? Blue, rainbow, or yellow? Okay. Blue, rainbow, or yellow. I'll go with them all for you. So, rainbow first. Right, let's go. Come on. Ollie's coming with me. Let's go. Come on. Oh, right. I'm stuck. Oh, bye, Ollie.
Let's go, make a splash.
Oh, crap. The splish. Ow, ow. I don't.
I'm gonna go to the bar.
So, this is a swimming pool, but that there is the bar.
Yeah.
So you now jump into the water.
And the seat in the and the seat.
Right out because we've been on the slides. Oh, this is the last day, for God's sake.
Yeah. And guys, this seat in the water.
Okay, but
So you
we'll meet you at the bar. Yeah, there's this bar in the water,
we're now next to the bar.
but I am not getting served. So yeah, I'll just meet you on the other thing.
Goodbye.
Right, let's go, drinks. I'll show you when I get my drink.
Bye. Hey, I said I want God save the fly. Ollie has been served.
Happy.
Then I'll be served.
Well, go down there then. No, Daddy, know what I did today?
What?
I opened my pockets and put some water in, but then they just went away. It just soaked away. What? I opened my pockets and then I
Well, in the hope
zipped it
that you
up,
carry it home.
hoping, yeah,
Shut up, lad.
hoping I could bring it all the way.
Shut up, you
but-
titty.
No,
Right, Oz.
yeah, this is your fault. I'm going yeah, because yeah, but it will take longer.
The taxi's like 55 minutes it means. So he'll get longer in the front.
Ollie, you get fucked. You literally sticky. Sticky. Bye, Sticky. Bye, Sticky.
Oh.
Bye, Sticky. Bye, Sticky.
Got a class job.
This isn't the reception.
It is?
It is.
It
It's around
is?
the back.
Cake.
Cake. Use the so you can pick it up. Lunch for the answer.
Manage rolls. Manage.
You're not coming out the berries. No, do not put it
So you go back now.
Point at him.
The day of Turkey is almost over. Ready?
You alright?
Yeah. It's just the final day. Turkey is almost over. No.
15 minutes in the hotel.
Another 15 minutes and then we're leaving the hotel. It's so sad. It's over.
You've got everything, yeah? Just put your bags in. Give me your bags.
What about with English?
We'll drink full together.
You don't like taking it in the end.
In the tunnel, Daddy, we took down the car. No, what's happening? No. What's the other side, right?
Yeah, you do security before you even get through.
Like how we just put
There you go.
I'm going to be a bit.
Fans are in the bag. If you need them. Use her over here. Your mum's been naughty. Caleb. Your mum's been naughty. Bye. Have a nice flight.
In the airport, and we are now waiting for our plane. Yes,
Waiting for mum. Move it, hold it there.
waiting for our.
We're waiting for mummy to get searched.
Yes.
I mean, take it over.
No. Wait, I want to show. I want to say mommy's been naughty.
Oh, doesn't want to bring. Got an industrial one. I'll put the sticker on.
Oh, the stickers. You should put the stickers on top.
Stickers. Yeah.
Hi, come on.
There's absolutely no.
Yeah, it. Or just
Now let's.
right, up a bit. There.
You put a new towel in it.
Yeah.
That's on 96. We're gonna go for
2, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
All there?
I still can't see them.
Ollie, not there. Not there.
And then I can't see them.
How come? Now you can.
I know. Why are my ears not popping?
What's he sucking you for?